my people. Good afternoon, everyone. Look at me very well. You can see me very well on wheelchair. I'm right now at Ghana Airline at Enugu State. I was meant to board an aircraft to travel to Lagos. But on getting to the point, they told me that I cannot travel alone because of the fact that I'm on wheelchair. That if I don't have an assistant, that they can't board me. It's not done anywhere. It's not done anywhere. I didn't get it. I see it as a sort of discrimination against persons with disability. So does it really mean that if I don't have any person to go with me, I cannot go to Lagos, I can't travel? Is that what it means? This world, hear this, help me to sort this out. Is that what it means? Is that what it means? And they simply say that it is their protocol. But I don't get it. I don't get it. Right now, I am sad. I am really sad because they have shown me that I am there, that I'm not part of them. That's what it means. Because even myself in my own house, if I need somebody to take me out, maybe to go and do anything, I didn't see it as a right thing to do. That's why I'm calling on all of you. Everybody has to come up and say something about this. It's really not done anywhere. It's really not done anywhere. I raised my case here. I'm right now at the airport at Enugu.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Emeka Ugwuonye. I am the founder of the Due Process Advocates, as well as the coordinator for the Center for Air Travelers' Rights. There is a lawsuit coming up tomorrow in Enugu, the Federal High Court, Enugu, holding in Enugu. And this case was initiated by a group called Disability Rights Protection Initiative against Ghana Airline. The reason for the lawsuit was the video you just watched. As you just saw in that video, a woman in wheelchair was denied the opportunity to board Ghana Airline flight from Enugu to Lagos. And the only reason the airline gave was because she was in a wheelchair unaccompanied. That is extremely strange by every standard. The airline was supposed to have had accommodation for disabled people, which in this case just meant to have some airline staff to accompany the woman and get onto the airplane, and then upon arrival have someone help her with her wheelchair down. It wasn't a big deal at all. It wasn't a big deal. Absolutely not. So for the airline to not have that procedure in place, not have that capacity, to not have any accommodation for a disabled person, that is bad in itself. But it's even worse and shameless that the airline would come out and say bold-facedly that it's against their policy to allow a person in a wheelchair to travel unaccompanied. This is unheard of. This is incredible. I know as a fact that people in wheelchair are even allowed to engage in international, transatlantic, trans-Pacific flights unaccompanied. So, for an airline in this time and age to boldly say they have it against their policy, it is something terrible. So this woman is not taking it lightly. She has decided to vent, and an organization, the Disability Rights Initiative Group, decided to give vent, to give support to her, and they took the bull by the horn by commencing this unprecedented lawsuit in Nigeria. They came to us today, and our group, the Center for Air Travelers' Rights, will be joining them. We will be supporting this initiative. I will be speaking with their lawyers today to make sure they receive support, morally, financially, and otherwise. Whatever they need for us to do to make sure that this lawsuit goes forward, we will do so. This is a very important lawsuit, And I hope Nigerians will all tune into it, because what happens in this case will determine so many things. The airlines are abusing the rights of Nigerians. We already know that. But we thought at least they would pretend about it. For them to be so brazen in what they're doing, that is total impunity, which we will not allow, and that is why we're going to support this lawsuit. We encourage them, and we thank this group led by Chikwado Chukwu, a very brilliant young law student, University of Lagos. We are very proud of him for this, and we support his group. We're going to be watching on this. DPA and Center for Air Travelers' Rights are now in this case. So we are going to be sending additional lawyers to support the team tomorrow, and we're going to make sure that whatever they need, which we can afford, will be made available to them. Thank you.